How are you all? All are happy? I know you all are ready with your textbook, notebook, pencil, and everything to study EVS, isn't it? So, we were learning our second chapter. Which was our second chapter? Yes, food for us. We studied many things, right? We studied about different kinds of food. What were they? Yeah, bodybuilding food, protective food, then energy giving food, all the kinds of food we have studied. Then we studied about raw and cooked food. Raw food means the food items which we can be eaten as raw, and some food items we can have it only after cooking. That is called cooked food. Then we have learned about balanced diet, isn't it? A diet in which all kinds of food in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Are you all remembering these things? Then we learned about healthy eating habits, isn't it? In this class, we will be revising all the topics once again and we will be completing the textual exercises. So get ready with your textbook. We will be reading the textbook and also we will be doing some textual exercises. Okay, shall we start?
So we were learning about second chapter, right? So in that we have studied almost all the portions, all the topics we have studied already. So we will just revise those things. Then we will be doing some exercises. Okay. So we have studied different kinds of food. Hmm? What were they? Bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food, right? So bodybuilding food helps us to build our body. It makes our bones and muscles strong. What were the examples of bodybuilding food? Milk, egg, fish, meat. Did you study those examples? I hope you have studied those examples. And the second type of food was energy giving food. So in that we have studied sugar, butter, rice, oil, and nuts. Hmm? It gives us energy to work and play. For what we need energy? To do our work and to play, isn't it? Then protective type of food. Protective food examples are fruits and vegetables. It prevents us from falling sick. Then we have studied raw and cooked food. Do you know what is the difference between raw and cooked food? Yeah, some food items we can have without cooking, isn't it? In its raw form, you can have it. What were the examples? Yeah, fruits and a few vegetables like cucumber, then beetroot, carrot, all these things, and fruits, all the fruits, right? Apple, orange, everything we can have it without cooking it. But what about meat, fish, and all? We have to cook it before having it, right? So we have studied raw and cooked. What is the difference between raw and cooked food? Okay, I hope you all are ready with your textbook. Sometimes you may not be seeing this textbook clearly in this screen. So you better take your textbook and read after me. Okay. Uh, Raw and cooked food, page number 108. Fruits and a few vegetables such as peas, cucumber, radish, beetroot, and carrot can be eaten raw. Meat, eggs, dal, rice, and most vegetables are cooked. Okay, and here you can see a girl is saying something. What is that? We have 3 meals in a day. Usually we are having 3 meals a day, right? We will be having a breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. The best time to have the breakfast is between 8 to 9 in the morning. Okay. So don't have your breakfast after 9 o'clock in the morning. So wake up early and have your breakfast before 9 o'clock. Okay, and at the same way, lunch you should have between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, before 1 o'clock you should have the lunch, and in the night time before 8 o'clock you have to have your dinner. That is the best time to have your meals. Okay, so early in the morning you wake up and have your breakfast before 9 o'clock, and have your lunch before 1 o'clock, and have your dinner before 8 o'clock. Okay, so then we have studied about balanced diet, isn't it? Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Hmm? Yeah, you have to eat all kinds of food in the right amount. That is called a balanced diet. You have to eat all kinds of food, not only the bodybuilding food or energy giving food, all kinds of food items you have to eat. Okay, here the picture, in the picture you can see the majority portion represents the fruits and vegetables. It means you have to consume more fruits and vegetables to have a healthy body. Okay, and you can see a small portion here, that is your sugar, cheese, and all. Cheese, butter, all these are fatty foods. If you are having lots of cheese and all, your body will get so much fatty. Okay, so that is not good. Try to eat more fruits and vegetables. Okay, so uh, balanced diet means to have all kinds of food items in the right amount. Okay, so let's read that. A balanced diet. The kind of food we eat is called a diet. When we eat bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food in the right amount, it is called a balanced diet. Okay, so now I hope you understood what is balanced diet. Okay, to have all kinds of food in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Such a diet keeps us fit and healthy. Okay, to be fit and more healthier, you have to eat all kinds of food in the right amount. Okay, then we learned about healthy eating habits. You all know it. We are following it, right? So wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. Then second one, have your meals at a fixed time every day. You should have your meals at a fixed time every day. Then never skip your breakfast. Do you know what is the meaning of breakfast? Huh? In the word itself, it says that we are breaking the fasting. That means during the night time, you are not having food, right? That means you are taking fasting. Yeah, you are fasting. You are not having food in the night time. And in the morning, you are breaking the fasting. Yeah, you're breaking the fast and having the breakfast, isn't it? So that name itself says that you are breaking a long time fasting, isn't it? So it is a must thing. You should have breakfast every day. Never skip your breakfast. Okay, then eat a balanced diet. Junk food is not good for health. That you all know. Junk food like pizza, burger, all those things, please avoid it. Don't have this kind of junk food. Eat only a balanced diet. Then eat only fresh and clean food. Then never waste food. Wasting food, it is not good. Take only as much as you can eat. Okay. Then drink clean water. Always drink clean water. Boil or filter it before drinking. So before drinking, you should at least boil or filter the water. Okay. Then brush your teeth in the morning and at night. How many times you have to brush daily? Yeah, twice. 2 times you have to brush your teeth, huh? In the morning and at the night. Then brushing helps to remove the bits of food stuck in your teeth. Some food items will get stuck in your teeth while having food, right? You have to brush it to clean and to remove all those bits of food. Okay, so we will be once again taking a quick recap. Okay, when we are hungry, we eat food. Food makes us grow, gives us energy, and makes us strong. Bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. Then, protective food prevents us from falling sick. Then, we must eat a balanced diet. We must follow healthy eating habits. We must follow healthy eating habits. Okay, so you understood this chapter? Hmm? Yeah, I hope you all understood it. Okay, shall we move on to the exercises? So, our first exercise, tick the correct answers. So, you have to tick the correct answers in your textbook. Okay, so are you ready with your textbook and pencil? Shall we do it? Okay, the first question, this helps us to fight diseases. So what is helping us to fight against diseases? Toy, book, or food? Yeah, food. Not toy, not book. This food helps us to fight diseases. Okay, so you put a tick mark here. Second question, these are protective food. So you have to think, okay, milk and dal, sugar and butter, peas and apple, which is a protective food. You all know the examples for protective food, right? Yeah, fruits and vegetables. So which among this is a fruit or a vegetable? So apple is a fruit and peas are vegetable, right? So peas and apple are protective food. Third one, we eat this vegetable raw. So which among these we can eat as raw without cooking? Cucumber, brinjal, and potato. Which one? Yes, cucumber. Actually, the right pronunciation for, we usually say it as cucumber, right? But the right pronunciation is cucumber. What is that? Can you say after me? Cucumber. Very good. Okay, the next exercise. Mash the columns to complete the sentences. Okay, match it. First question, it has been done for you. Rice and jaggery are energy giving food. You all know. Then second one, beetroot. Beetroot. The options twice a day, clean water, can be eaten raw, is unhealthy. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, beetroot can be eaten raw. Okay. Okay. The next one, junk food. Junk food. Yes, junk food is unhealthy. Junk food is unhealthy. Okay. Then fourth one, drink clean water. Drink clean water. Then brush your teeth. Yes, twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Then the next exercise. Section C. Tick the healthy food habits. Tick the healthy food habits. Wash her hands before eating her meals. That is a good habit to wash your hands before eating meals. Yes, so you can tick it. Drinks water from the garden tap. Is that a good habit? From to drink water from the garden tap? No, right? You have to drink clean water, right? After boiling or filtering, right? So here it says drinks water from the garden tap is not a good habit. So you have to put wrong, not tick mark. The next one, never skips his breakfast. That is a good habit. Yes, never skips his breakfast. Then this girl does not waste food. Yeah, that is also a good habit. Does not waste food. Okay. So the next section is answer these questions. So ma'am will be giving these answers to write in the notebook. So now we will be just discussing the answers. Okay, try to answer these questions. The first question is, why should we eat food? Why should we eat food? Yeah, to be healthy, to be fit and to be healthy, right? Yes. Then write the names of two protective food items. How do they help us? Can you say any two examples for protective food items? Yeah, you all know protective food items are fruits and vegetables, right? So any fruits you can say apple, orange, then vegetables, any vegetable like carrot, beetroot, anything you can say. How do they help us? Yes, it prevents us from falling sick. Yes, it prevents us from falling sick. What is the third question? What is a balanced diet? So, what is a balanced diet? Yes, a diet in which all kinds of food in the right amount is called the balanced diet. Then fourth one, write any three healthy eating habits. This one you can write any three. Your own answers you can write. Okay, let us check the answers. Why should we eat food? We should eat food because it makes us to grow, makes us strong and healthy, gives us energy to work and play, help us to fight diseases. Okay, at least 2 points you can write. To be healthy, to be fit, then uh, to get energy to work and play and to fight against diseases. Any 2 points you can write. Ma'am will give the answers, okay, so that it will be easy to study. Then the second question, write any two protective food items that you can say, any two, okay. And how do they help us? Protective food keeps us healthy and it prevents us from falling sick. Balanced diet, right? A diet which has the right amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food is called a balanced diet. And two healthy eating habit, that was the fourth question. So many points are given here. You can write any 2 points, okay. Then one more question is there, think and answer. I will read the question. Deepa is very tired after playing. Okay, Deepa was playing and she is very tired after playing. What should she drink? What should she drink? Tea, cold drink, or fresh juice? What she has to drink? And you say why? Okay, this is a question to think and answer. You try to answer. So she was actually very tired and now she wants some energy, isn't it? she needs some energy now because she is very tired. So what should she drink? Huh? Tea, cold drink, or fresh juice? Yes, she needs a fresh juice. Why? What are the examples for energy giving food? Sugar is there, right? So we will be adding more sugar while preparing fresh juices, right? So this fresh juice may have lots of sugar contents and it is very good energy giving food, right? So it is very good to have fresh juice to get more energy because since we are adding lots of sugar in it. Okay, so and this you all know this cold drink is not good for health. So shall we check the answer? Deepa should have fresh juice. Juice has sugar, which will give Deepa energy. Sugar is an energy giving food. So sugar will give Deepa energy. Tea and cold drink are not good for health. Okay, so which one is good for health? Fresh juice, of course. Okay, children, shall we move on to the next exercise? Do and learn. It's an activity for you. Okay, look at the pictures and complete the word puzzles. You have to do this as a homework. Okay, it's very easy. The picture it is given here. You just fill the puzzle. Okay, will you do it? You have to do it. Okay, so you just write the name of these fruits or vegetables or whatever it is shown here. Picture is here. You have to complete this puzzle. So do it as a homework.
So now we have completed our second chapter. You complete this textual exercises. And also ma'am will be attaching this second chapter notes with this class. So you have to complete that notes in your notebook. Before the next class, you have to complete your textual exercises and your notes. The next class, ma'am will be giving evaluation test also. So get ready, study well, read the textbook thoroughly. Okay, so ma'am is winding up today's class. You all take care. Bye-bye.